Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of Star Anise, a powerful spice that can be a natural medicine for various health problems. Imagine this, a star-shaped spice bursting with aroma, not just adding flavor to your favorite dishes, but also enriching your life with its therapeutic properties. Star Anise, scientifically known as Illicium Verum, is not just a cooking spice, but a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's explore the 10 surprising ways Star Anise can enhance your well-being. Have you ever wondered how a simple spice can help with inflammation? Star Anise, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, can do just that. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection. Star Anise contains anethole, which has remarkable anti-inflammatory effects. Anethole inhibits inflammatory chemicals, reducing inflammation and discomfort. Incorporating Star Anise into your diet is simple. Add it to soups, stews and curries, or brew it as a tea. Embrace the power of Star Anise for soothing relief from inflammation. In a world battling infections, Star Anise emerges as a natural warrior. This remarkable spice harbors potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, effectively combating a range of harmful microorganisms. At the heart of Star Anise's antimicrobial power lies anethole, a compound scientifically proven to inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. Imagine this, a soothing cup of Star Anise tea not only warming you up on a cold day, but also fighting off those pesky cold-causing bacteria. Star Anise's natural antimicrobial properties make it a valuable ally in maintaining good health. Let's talk about digestion, a process often overlooked, but crucial for our overall health. And when it comes to supporting a healthy gut, Star Anise steps in as a natural digestive aid. Imagine this, you've just enjoyed a delicious but perhaps heavy meal. A sense of fullness and discomfort settles in. This is where Star Anise comes into play. This remarkable spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate digestive discomforts. The secret lies in its carminative properties, meaning it helps to reduce bloating and gas. Star Anise does this by relaxing the muscles of the digestive tract, allowing for smoother digestion and reducing the feeling of fullness. Furthermore, Star Anise stimulates the production of digestive juices, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. This not only aids in digestion, but also helps to prevent constipation and promote regularity. So, whether you're experiencing occasional indigestion or simply want to support your digestive health, consider incorporating Star Anise into your diet. Star Anise offers relief and support for your respiratory system. Imagine it's cold and flu season, and you feel a tickle in your throat. You reach for a soothing cup of Star Anise tea. Star Anise has long been used in traditional medicine. It contains compounds that act as expectorants, loosening phlegm and mucus. This clears the airways and eases breathing. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated airways. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly bombarded with free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to various health problems. This is where antioxidants come in, acting as our body's natural defense system against these harmful molecules. And guess what? Star Anise is a potent source of antioxidants. This unassuming spice is packed with compounds like vitamin C and anethole, which possess remarkable antioxidant properties. Antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals, preventing them from causing oxidative stress and damage to our cells. This protective effect helps to shield our bodies from chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Studies have shown that Star Anise extracts can effectively scavenge free radicals and protect cells from oxidative damage. This makes Star Anise a valuable addition to our diet, boosting our body's natural defenses and promoting overall well-being. Your heart, the engine of your body, deserves all the care it can get. And Star Anise, with its heart-healthy properties, emerges as a natural ally in maintaining cardiovascular well-being. Imagine this, a spice that not only adds flavor to your food, but also helps to regulate blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve circulation. That's the power of Star Anise. Studies have shown that star anise extracts can help to lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. This effect is attributed to its ability to relax blood vessels, allowing for smoother blood flow and reducing the strain on the heart. Furthermore, star anise has been found to have a positive impact on cholesterol levels. It can help to lower LDL bad cholesterol while increasing HDL good cholesterol, promoting a healthy balance and reducing the risk of plaque buildup in arteries. Incorporating star anise into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your heart health. Pain, whether it's a throbbing headache or menstrual cramps, can disrupt our daily lives. But what if nature held the key to alleviating discomfort? Star anise, with its natural pain-relieving properties, has been used for centuries to provide relief from various types of pain. Imagine this: a warm cup of star anise tea, its soothing aroma filling the air as you sip away your headache. Star anise contains compounds that possess analgesic properties, meaning they can help to reduce pain signals in the body. One of the key components responsible for star anise's pain-relieving effects is anethole. This compound has been shown to have similar effects to aspirin, a common over-the-counter pain reliever. It works by inhibiting the production of prostaglandins, chemicals in the body that contribute to inflammation and pain. Star anise has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual cramps, headaches, and joint pain. Our skin, the largest organ of our body, reflects our inner health. And while we strive for radiant and healthy skin, nature offers a helping hand in the form of star anise. Imagine this: a spice that not only adds flavor to your food, but also helps to fight acne, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin elasticity. Star anise, with its potent antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, can do wonders for your skin. Acne, often a source of insecurity, can be effectively tackled with star anise. Its antimicrobial properties help to fight acne-causing bacteria, reducing inflammation and promoting clearer skin. Furthermore, star anise's antioxidant properties come into play by protecting the skin from free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and fine lines. Star anise can be incorporated into your skincare routine in various ways. You can create a face mask by grinding star anise into a powder and mixing it with honey or yogurt. In today's world, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those managing diabetes. And while conventional treatments exist, nature offers a helping hand in the form of star anise. Imagine this: a spice that not only adds flavor to your meals but also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of spikes and crashes. Star anise, with its unique properties, has shown promise in supporting blood sugar control. Studies have suggested that star anise may improve insulin sensitivity, a key factor in managing blood sugar levels. Insulin is a hormone that helps our bodies use glucose for energy. When insulin sensitivity is improved, our bodies can utilize glucose more efficiently, preventing it from building up in the bloodstream. Furthermore, star anise may help to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream after a meal. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as it can help to prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of calm and tranquility is essential for maintaining mental well-being. And while there are various techniques to promote relaxation, nature offers a gentle solution in the form of star anise. Imagine this: a warm cup of star anise tea, its soothing aroma filling the air as you take a moment for yourself. Star anise has long been recognized for its calming and stress-relieving properties, making it a valuable ally in promoting mental wellness. One of the key components responsible for star anise's calming effects is anethole. This compound has been found to have a relaxing effect on the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of tranquility. Furthermore, star anise contains other bioactive compounds like limonene and linalool, which are known for their mood-boosting and stress-reducing properties. These compounds work synergistically to create a sense of calm and well-being. As you can see, Star Anise is more than just a spice. It's a natural remedy with numerous health benefits. From boosting immunity to promoting heart health and even relieving pain, this versatile spice deserves a place in your pantry and your diet. So, why not incorporate Star Anise into your diet and experience these amazing benefits for yourself? Add it to your soups, stews or teas, and let its warm, licorice-like flavor enhance your culinary creations while nourishing your body from within. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies.